This is the high-risk, high-reward category. The idea is many new Solana protocols distribute free tokens to their early users. Jupiter did this with their JupUary event in January 2026, rewarding active users with token airdrops worth significant amounts.
So just by using these platforms early, you could get free tokens?
Exactly. You use the protocol, maybe lend, stake, swap, earn points, and when they launch their token, you get an airdrop.
That's wild. The risk is that some projects fail completely.
Right. Only use money you can afford to lose for this strategy, but the upside can be massive.
Okay, Alex, let's wrap this up with some quick, practical advice. Someone's listening right now. They want to start. What's step 1?
Step 1. Download the Phantom Wallet app. It's free, beginner-friendly, and supports everything we talked about today.
Step 2.
Buy some SOL on a trusted exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. Transfer it to your Phantom wallet.
Step 3.
Start with native staking. Choose a validator with low commission, 0 to 5%, and stake your SOL. Watch your rewards grow every 2 days. Get comfortable with how it works.
And after that?
Explore liquid staking with JitoSOL or mSOL. Then, when you're ready, look into DeFi lending on Camino or Jupiter Lend. Go step by step. Don't rush.
And the golden rule?
Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto has real opportunity, but it also has real risk. Respect that, and you'll be fine.
Honestly, this was such a great breakdown. I feel like even someone with zero crypto experience can take these steps and get started.
That's the goal. Solana in 2026 is genuinely one of the most accessible blockchains for income generation. The tech is proven, the ecosystem is huge, and the fees are tiny. There's no better time to explore it.
And if you want the full written guide with all the details, APY numbers, platform links, step-by-step instructions, go check out earningtips.site. The complete article is right there waiting for you.
Links are in the description.
All right, guys, if you found this episode helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's been curious about Solana. It genuinely helps our channel grow.
Subscribe to Earning Tips for more real talk about crypto, investing, and online income every single week.
Until next time, keep learning, keep earning.
See you in the next one.